Then we have got part A, the last question. I can solve the inequality 4 minus 5x less than 2x plus 8. So tshata rewrite this one, 4 minus 5x to go to 4 minus 5x to it less than says what 2x plus 8, 2x plus 8, right? So I work at this part, my values are x to normalize on one side. It's not gonna go this negative, this positive 2 to misa kunoko. So I'm gonna one minus 5x which is minus 2x less than 8 or visa 4 or we are onto this side and vashikashta minus 4. Saga negative 7 the moment you are going to say negative 5 negative 2x to but I want a negative 7x which it is less than 8 minus 4 4 could divide both sides by negative 7. The moment you divide on a negative 7 how to divide a negative number, this sign it was less than, you have to change a greater than sign. So like a negative 7 divided by negative 7 panapa urusara una x panapa have to change auto greater than negative 4 over 7. This one is your final answer. Or else can always with this process we're going into the other section where you're supposed to say 4 minus 5x less than 2x plus 8 like this. Or visa x ush or yakunoko or visa 8 ush or yakunoko. So panapa 4 minus 8 less than 2x which is plus 5x. 4 minus 8 would want a negative 4. Then less than 2x plus 5x would want a 7x. You now divide both sides by 7. So over a negative 4 less than 7 which is less than x. Anyora this answer neanyora this answer, this is the same. Ninya yakut wakatanga panapa wakavisa this x wakatanga kumunyora x wakungunyora chiti x sign yake panapa inovachinja ita greater than negative 4 over 7. Saka anyora the first one or the second one, this is the same answer. That is why panapa tukungona takanyora this one again. Tava ipapo tukunzi the smallest integer that is satisfies this part, the smallest integer that is satisfies this inequality at one against x less than negative 4 over 7. Smallest integer as c iri pasi pine that is iri greater than negative 4 over 7. Smallest integer here, the first value integer appear after negative number is 0. Shaka 0 will be taken as our final answer.